Have a holly jolly Christmas. That's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of beer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know, and everyone you meet. Oh, thank God, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.